I'm Chandler.
I'm Colin.
Welcome to NAC News. Hope the Cardinals score a whole bunch of touchdowns this football season.
Blaze and Fulton had a story on that.
The football season is kicking off for the North Andrew Cardinals. The first game we lost to East Atchison 8-20. The next game is on September 5th at Stewartsville Osborne. The theme for the game is USA. Swear your best, red, white, and blue. The captains of the team are Isaac Coates, Jackson Ritchie, Cooper Grisho, and Hunter Lee. In the opening game, Jacob Hill caught the touchdown throw from Levi McAfee. Some of the key games coming up are Week 4 against Worth County, which is also homecoming night. Another key game is Week 7 against King City. Both games are at home. We interviewed Coach Williams about the season. Coach stated, "We always want to be the best versions of ourselves and as a team by playoffs. That is what we expect for this group to make happen. I am most excited to watch the team get to become the best versions we can be in the journey along the way. My third year is just like any other year, just working to grow this group and for the journey together."
How do you think this upcoming football season is going to go?
I think we'll be pretty decent. I've never played in the GRC personally, but we got some big boys up there. I think we can do all right.
What are you most excited for about your last year of football?
My last year of football, trying to get something done, lead a team as a newcomer.
What's your favorite part in general?
Of football?
Yeah.
Probably get to know everybody.
Okay, you can stop recording now.
How do you think the season is going?
I think we'll make it really far, potentially state bound. And I think we will have a very good record.
What's your favorite part of the season?
My favorite thing or part is defense. I hate offense. I'm horrible at it.
What are you most excited for your first year of high school?
Getting to play high school football.
And what's your How do you think the season's going to go?
I think we're going to do really good, and we're going to win a bunch of games.
How do you think the season's going to go this year?
I think it's going to go pretty great, especially the JV season.
What are you most excited for this season?
I'm most excited to be on that front line hitting kids.
What's your favorite part?
My favorite part? Probably all the practices. I like practice.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, will you be quiet? You can stay in the video. Oh, okay. How do you think the season is going to go?
I think we're going to do great this year. I think everything's improved, even though we lost a lot of good players. I think we're going to improve a lot.
What are you most excited for your first year of football?
I'm excited to get a lot of playing time and see how I enjoy the step up from junior high to high school.
What's your favorite part?
I think my favorite part is probably going to be cook-off return, being able to do that.
All right, thank you. How do you think this year's football team is going to do?
Yes.
Okay. What's your favorite part about football?
Probably being, yeah.
What are you most excited for?
Probably, yeah, I think so. I would say.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
How do you guys think the football season is going to go?
I think it's going to go good.
I think it's going to go good.
What are you most excited for?
I'm excited to start playing.
I'm excited to start playing.
What's your favorite part?
My favorite part is
Actually being able to just play some football.
Playing with Isaac.
What are you most excited for this football season?
Definitely the student section. We have a pretty good student section, so I think this year will be 10 times better and we'll have more energy.
What are you most excited for this football season?
I'm most excited for our new white pom-poms and doing our dances and the really cold games.
What are you most excited for this football season?
I'm most excited to be captain and lead our team and like choreograph our new dances. And like Emery said, I'm excited to wear our new uniforms.
What are you most excited for this football season?
I'm pretty excited for the senior dance tonight, but I'm also excited for our homecoming dance, and I'm excited to wear our new uniforms.
Speaking of sports, we got a story about cross country and softball made by me and Vivian.
Let's play that now.
Cross country is just starting up. We interviewed Coach Seibert and asked a few questions. The first one was, what are your goals for the team this season? She said, our cross-country team has experienced runners and new athletes. I'm excited to see the runners who have excelled lead our new runners and demonstrate the determination it takes to be an amazing cross-country runner. Second thing we asked was, who are your leaders on the team this season? She said, Benjamin Roller is our experienced senior who will do amazing this season. Maverick Seibert dominated in junior high cross-country, and it will be an adjustment for him to compete against high school athletes. Jace Walker is a steady runner who consistently does well, and they already have state on their minds. And the final thing we asked was, what are you looking forward to this season? She said, we have a few runners, Caroline, Megan, and Hunter. It'll be fun to watch them grow this season. We also interviewed runner Maverick Seibert, one of the people on our team.
What goals do you have this year for cross country?
Top 10 in the state.
And what advice would you give anyone who's wanting to join cross country?
Work hard.
Thank you.
Softball is a fun and high-energy sport. Many students at NAHS enjoy playing. Every day after school, they show up to practice and work. Your players support each other no matter what. They stick together. The team is made up of many hardworking individuals. We interviewed senior Lily Richardson, and this is what she said.
What goals do you have for this season?
Our goals are basically just to get better with every single game, every single practice, and hopefully not to make a lot of errors and have fun too. So,
what advice would you give any incoming softball players?
I would say to work hard, but also to have fun. We have a really good group of girls, and we're very blessed to have that. So we have each other's back. So I'd say just be supportive of each other, keep your head up, and work hard.
We also interviewed two of the freshmen on the sophomore team, Braden Wilson and Hildy Wheeler.
What goals do you have for this season?
This season, I plan to get better at infield.
Okay. What about you?
Actually, be a catcher.
And what are you guys most excited for this season?
Being able to play a game I love with my friends.
Being able to be with a lot of older people that I haven't really got to connect with, and also
These ladies fight for a win in every game they play. No matter if they win or lose, they will always have each other's backs. Go out and support the Lady Cardinals as they fight their way to victory.
What? New people? I don't think I've seen you here before.
Yeah, I'm new. I'm pretty sure Layton and Noah have a story about it.
Let's play that now.
This week on the NAC News, story will feature an interview with new students and staff at North Andrew. There are several new students this year. The first new student we'll talk about is Chet Goff. Chet Goff is an 8th grader who comes from West Nottoway. Here are some questions we asked Chet. Are you involved in any sports? He said, yes, wrestling, football, and basketball, and track. Then we asked him, what do you like about North Andrew so far? He said, the people are cooler. Then we said, what activities do you like to do for fun when you're not in school? He said, Riz. Then we asked him, what was his favorite food? He said Mexican. The next person we interviewed was Miss Williams, who previously taught at Park Hill High School, and here are some of the questions we asked her. The second one we asked her was, if you could teach any other subject, what would it be? She said, I haven't been in the classroom for several years, but I would like to teach ELA and current events. The third question was, what do you like about North Andrew so far? She said, the thing that I like about North Andrew is the community environment, being students and staff. I'm happy to be a part of the Cardinal family and love getting to know each student. The fourth question was, what activity do you like to do for fun when you are not in school? She said, whenever I'm not at school, I like to spend time with my family, traveling, reading, especially sitting outside and gardening. The fifth question was, what is your favorite food? She said, I never turned down a chance to eat Mexican food. The next person we're interviewing is Mr. Goff, who has previously taught at West Nottoway. We asked him what other subjects he would teach, and he said, well, vocal music actually is my other subject. He has been a special education teacher for 10 years prior, taking this music job, and I love it. We asked him, what does he like about North Andrew so far? He said, so far at North Andrew, I love the confidence and pride that everyone has at our school. It is very exciting. Then we asked him what he would do outside of school. He said, I race half draft, half quarter horses, so I love working with and riding horses. I also like just sitting on the porch and visiting with my parents. We asked him what his favorite food was. He said, my favorite food is ribeye from Texas Roadhouse. The next person we interviewed was Clara Goff, who is in 6th grade and comes from West Nottoway. Here are some questions we asked her. We asked her, are you involved in any sports or activities? She said, right now I'm not involved in any sports and activities. I would like to play basketball and wrestling at some point. I'm in band and play clarinet. The next question we asked her is, what do you like about North Andrew so far? She said, I like being in middle school earlier than I would have been at West Nottoway. The fourth question we asked her was, what activity do you like to do for fun when you're not in school? She said, I like to sing and draw. The last question we asked her was, what is your favorite food? She said, lasagna. Next person we're interviewing is Liam. He's a 7th grader who came from Nottoway Holt Middle School. We asked him, is he involved in any sports? He said he does cross country. We asked him what he's like about North Andrew so far. He says, I like how everyone is more friendly and kind here. I like my schedule here, and my teachers are great. We asked him what he's doing outside of school. He said, I mostly do homework and play games and watch TV when I'm home. We asked him, what's his favorite food? He said, my favorite food is pasta, pizza, salad, and chili dog. The next person we interviewed was Caroline Birgo, is a sophomore who comes from South Nottoway. And here are some questions that we asked her. Are you involved in any sports or activity? She is involved in basketball, track, cross country, FFA, FBLA, FCCLA, band, and this year I'm going to try archery. The third question we asked her, what do you like about North Andrew so far? She said, one of my favorite things about North Andrew is how welcoming the students and staff are. The fourth question is, what activity do you like to do for fun when you're not in school? She said, when she's not at school, she likes playing with her dog, fishing, going to the creek, working on the farm, going to church, and spending time with her grandparents. The fifth and final question we asked her is, what is your favorite food? She said her favorite food is her mom's spaghetti and ice cream. The next person we're interviewing is Colin Anderson, who is a freshman who comes from Avenue City. We asked him if he does any sports. He said he is unsure if he will do archery or not. We asked him, what does he like about North Andrew so far? He said he likes meeting new people. Then we asked him, what activities do you like to do for fun when you're not in school? He said he likes to play video games. The final question we asked him, what is your favorite food? He said tacos. The next person we interviewed was Tatum, who's in 7th grade and comes from homeschool. Are you involved in any sports or activities? That I'm doing dance and I do gymnastics for 11 years. Is what do you like about North Andrew so far? I like North Andrew so far. The fourth one is, what activity do you like to do for fun when you're not in school? And I ride horses. What is your favorite food? Favorite food is pizza. The next person we're interviewing is Oren Goff, who is a senior who comes from West Nottoway. We asked him, is he involved in any sports? He said football, rugby, track, and baseball. We asked him, what does he like about North Andrew so far? He said, I like how everyone knows each other. We asked him, does he do any activities outside of school? He said, I like playing pickleball and stuff like that. We asked him what his favorite food was. He said tomato soup.
The next person we interviewed was Ryden Anderson. He was in 7th grade and comes from Avenue City. Here are some questions we asked him. Are you involved in any sports or activities? He said he plays football. The third question is, what do you like about North Angie so far? He said, I like the food because I get pizza. And the fourth one was, what activity do you do for fun when you're not in school? He said, I usually play Roblox in my favorite games on Roblox. They're 99 Nights in the Forest and Grow a Garden. The fifth and final question was, what is your favorite food? He said his favorite food is mom's spaghetti.
The next person we're interviewing is Autumn. She is a 6th grader who came from St. Joe. We asked her what sports she does. She does band. Then we asked her what she would like about North Andrew so far. She said all the little clubs around the school. Then we asked her what she do for fun when she's not in school. She said farming and driving our gator around the farm. Then, final question, we asked her what was her favorite food. She said pizza and pasta.
Make sure to give all these new faces a warm Cardinal welcome.
All right. I'm Chandler.
I'm Colin.
Signing off.